Hello guys, today I'm going to do an experiment on with my MI band. My MI band, when I was playing day before yesterday was lockdown. Day before yesterday when I was playing, I fell down on the ground and my band got scratched. Therefore, it does not, when my band fails and my band fall, it does not look good. So I came home, I searched YouTube, I searched the Google. The results that I came is applying toothpaste. So today I'm going to do an experiment of applying toothpaste on my band. I will show that how it does this works or not. Stay tuned on my channel. For this experiment, what I have to do is apply Colgate on my MI band. On the scratched part, just then gently rub it. And then I will keep this aside for another 15 minutes. Now the 15 minutes time has over, and now the thing I will do is to clean it with this tissue papers. We will rub it gently so that the tissue paper does not scratches the screen. This thing we have to keep in mind. So we will not rub it very roughly, but we'll rub it very gently. And now we have cleaned it from outside, and for cleaning it in a better manner we will defold it, means open it, and we will clean the sides also, the sides of the screen and that of the band too. Keep the band aside and clean the band. Now we will place the screen or the dial in the band. Now it's ready to use. Now we will see, has it cured or not. Till now of cleaning, I am understanding that the scratch is not gone. For a better view, I have to clean my screen with a cloth. Now that I have done it, it's still, the scratch is not gone yet. Hello guys, you have seen that my experiment has failed. Though it has failed, if you like my content, please hit the like button, and if you have liked my channel, do hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to show the output of the experiment. The scratches have not repaired. So this experiment is failed, and if you want to try, you can try, but my advice is that don't try. It is not going to affect it. It is not going to work. And so till then today, and just if you have any recommendation of language in my channel, please comment me down. And my next video is coming on next Sunday. So till then,